Hello everyone, it's a top crypto team and we begin the daily analysis of coin. Welcome to our channel. On this channel, we will daily review various coins, watch their main levels, watch trading strategies, watch how to behave in this situation, and we will show how to apply our strategies for profit and also for your successful trading. We begin our review from the Ethereum. We look at the Binance exchange and its Ethereum to USDT. According to our monthly time frame, we determined that Ethereum is now still in a downtrend. Let's analyze the current situation. We will move to the daily chart on a coin. We have indicated all the main levels. The price is now limited by two trend lines. The price is clamped here in such a triangle. Trend line hasn't broken through for a long time. If the price breaks the trend line here, then of course the price will move up. And the trend line has been going on for us for a long time, since February 18, but there is a chance that the price will break off and go down to the lower levels, to 131, to 120, 100. Since the coin is in downtrend, it takes quite a lot of effort to change the direction of the coin, but the volatility of the Ethereum at this moment at the highest level. And of course, growth prospects are certainly present. If the price breaks here, then of course the price will go up. If you look at the smaller time frame, then we will see that the price is clearly clamped in a certain triangle. Of course, if the price breaks this triangle down, then we should partially buy at levels 133, and the price can also be beaten off another trend line at level 133. Orders can also be placed there, so there is certain share of probability that the price will get rid of precisely this trend. But if price breaks it, then the coin will most likely be lowered, even lower to levels of 120 and 101. If price breaks this one of our downtrend, the next will be 175, 194 and $221. The most likely price will be not allowed to go quickly above 221, and it will linger there for a certain time because it is a rather serious level. Observe the situation, adopt the level that is at this stage. We wouldn't hold a position, just observe the situation as the price comes out of this triangle, and then you make a decision. If you trade intraday at a smaller time frame, then we see that we are now at a certain level, and most likely at this level we will not approach our trend line. If the situation develops positively, then most likely we are here about breaking it, and the price will continue to rise to the next level, to 175. Don't forget to set stop loss, even if you want to go here. Wait for the final result and only here enter the position. If you still want to enter in a position, set a short stop loss. Here, for example, there may be a false breakdown through this trend line and price will go down. TRX Tron to Bitcoin. This is a very promising coin because the coin is gaining momentum in all respects. At this stage, the coin buy much more than sell, and there is clearly an accumulation zone. We see that the coin broke the main trend line downward. The coin has now switched to flat market, and for the second time it has pushed off its main trend line. This is accumulation mode, and in this stage it's very promising position Most likely it will now move into an uptrend. We see that the coin being accumulated, but even now it is very interesting to play and trade on these levels. At this stage we have now formed this level. The coin is an historical low. There are no historical level at the moment. We can draw conclusions and build levels only based on this situation. We see that all subsequent local lows are higher than the previous ones. There is a classic accumulation situation for all that we have formed a triangle here, and the price will go in the aisles of this triangle until a big player has a sufficient position, and after a major player accumulates a sufficient position, the price will exit this triangle and go up. At this stage, we can only trade from these local levels, play inside the triangle. If you wanna go in, let's say now, put a stop loss below this local trend line, because if the price breaks this local trend line, then the coin can be lowered even lower further. The coin at this stage is in a fairly positive situation, therefore most likely when a position is accumulated, a coin will break through this triangle and go up. On this stage, it is interesting to trade at these levels. We have formed such a local levels. These levels are 10-12%. Therefore, it's interesting to go here in position and make a profit of 20-25%. After accumulation, since the history of the coin is quite positive and the coin can go to its main level, so 400, 500, this is very likely forecast for this year. Therefore, the Tron is a fairly good potential investment. Ripple to USDT. This is one of such interesting coin. The coin has been in downtrend for quite some time, and everyone is already really waiting for when the coin is already out of this downtrend and will change its direction. When the coin have their turnover and will cost $3 as it cost in 2017. We see that this is the main trend line, and when Ripple breaks it, it will such a global breakthrough. And of course, when it breaks, it goes to its global levels. At the moment, the coin has already tried several times to break this trend, and it didn't work out well. And most likely the coin is again going to this trend and should touch it. Okay, the main levels of this coin here, the coin clearly dropped it to 10 cents, and one of the main level is 30 cents. The immediate goals of the coin are pulling it here to the trend line, as it is 20 cents, 22 cents, 25 cents, their main level of the coin. Do not forget that the coin is now also at a strong level, and coin may not be allowed to calmly go up, so a coin can still go up in a level, and only somewhere in the summer can go to its trend line. But the volumes are quite high at the moment, and there are high probabilities that the coin will go up a certain trend and achieve its goal rather quickly. So it can be by mid-May, and we will be able to see coin at 25 cents. Ripple breaks the main trend, and then we can safely go to our goal of 50 cents. 50 cents, there is one of the most large goal. This is one of the serious level, and of course less than the level of 45 cents, 40 cents is also certain goals after breaking the trend line. In any case, you can enter the coin now only with a short stop loss, because this market at this market can be unpredictable scenarios. But in any case, you can enter the coin now, because in the short term, in any case, the price will reach this trend line. And thank you for your attention. Write in the comments which coin to review next, and see you in the next video.